Let's focus on three prominent archetypes: the hero's journey, the trickster figure, and the wise mentor. Each of these archetypes not only encapsulates significant patterns of human experience, but also retains a powerful resonance in contemporary culture and personal development. The hero's journey, a narrative structure identified by scholar Joseph Campbell, is a timeless framework that describes the transformative quest undertaken by a hero. This archetype is exemplified by figures such as Hercules, Odysseus, and countless others in myth and literature. The hero's journey typically includes stages such as the call to adventure, facing challenges, receiving help from allies, and ultimately returning home transformed. This cyclical journey emphasizes personal growth, resilience, and the quest for identity. The hero's journey continues to resonate in contemporary storytelling through films, novels, and personal narratives. Characters like Katniss, Everdeen from The Hunger Games, and Harry Potter embody the struggles and triumphs of the archetypical hero. These stories invite audiences to reflect on their own challenges and aspirations, inspiring them to embark on their paths of growth and self-discovery. As individuals navigate their own journeys, whether in career development, personal relationships, or overcoming adversities, the hero's journey serves as a reminder that transformation is often achieved through perseverance and self-reflection. The archetype reinforces the idea that everyone has the potential to be a hero in their own right. The trickster is a multifaceted figure found in many mythological traditions, including Loki in Norse mythology and Anansi in West African folklore. This archetype often embodies cunning, wit, and the ability to challenge societal norms. Tricksters disrupt conventions, question authority, and expose hypocrisy. They often utilize humor and cleverness to navigate challenges, highlighting human flaws and societal absurdities. Their playful nature invites audiences to look beyond the surface and reflect critically on established norms. In today's world, trickster figures can be seen in various forms of media, from satire in literature and film to comedians who challenge societal expectations. Figures like the Joker in the Batman franchise exemplify the complex nature of the trickster, blurring the lines between hero and villain while providing critical commentary on society. The presence of tricksters reminds us of the importance of questioning authority and the status quo. Their ability to disrupt systems encourages creativity and innovation, urging individuals to think outside established frameworks. In a rapidly changing world, this archetype's relevance is underscored by the need for adaptability, humor, and resilience. The wise mentor is a crucial archetype in mythology and storytelling, representing guidance and knowledge. This character often appears at pivotal moments in a hero's journey, imparting wisdom and support. Wise mentors vary in form, from the wise old wizard, like Gandalf in The Lord of the Rings, to experienced teachers who offer life lessons. They symbolize the importance of learning from others and the value of mentorship in personal and professional growth. In contemporary settings, mentors play a vital role in shaping individuals' paths, whether through formal mentorship programs, educational settings, or professional environments. The lessons imparted by wise mentors can help individuals navigate challenges, build confidence, and develop critical thinking skills. The archetype of the wise mentor highlights the importance of seeking guidance and learning from those with experience. In an increasingly complex world, individuals benefit significantly from the wisdom of mentors who can provide perspective, insight, and encouragement on their journeys.